Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Court from Cody Media. I help restaurant owners get butts in seats. So I wanted to share with you a couple of tips for improving your live videos, especially with when COVID happened and restaurants were shutting down. I saw people doing awesome Facebook live videos. Live video is so powerful. Facebook shows it to more people. It gets more engagement. But there's a couple of tips you can do to improve it. So number one is when you're doing a video, don't dilly-dally, okay? And so don't dilly-dally. What I mean by that is get right into it. Most people will watch live video later on. They're not going to watch it when it's actually live. And so if you like fiddle fart around and you're like, you know, hey, I'm going to wait for everybody to get on and that sort of thing. And if you take a couple of minutes, people will tune out. But if you get right to the point and get going right away, you're going to get people staying longer and watching longer, which is what you want. So that's number one. Number two is show action. Okay. I always love showing action and showing people doing stuff. And in your restaurant, there's so many things you can do. Show us what it's like to bake the pie in the background if you own a bakery, or show us what it takes to make a drink. Have your bartender making a drink. Show us what it's like, how you order online. Have somebody pull up their phone and show what that online ordering process is like. So many ways you can show action because people would just rather see action, things happening. And so that's number two, show action. And number three, and this is kind of just more of a, how you look, smile, wave, and look at the camera. Okay, so there's a couple things going on here. If you smile, you're gonna just seem more energetic. Just smiling like I'm doing right now just makes you more energetic, and it's gonna make you feel more comfortable on camera. When you wave, I always like to wave at the beginning of videos. Now, why do I do that? Well, it's because when people are scrolling through their news feed, if all of a sudden they see someone waving at them, it's like, hey, stop, I'm talking to you. So I always try to wave, and I always look at the camera. And so, watch this difference. Here's the camera. I'm looking at the camera right now. Here I am looking at the screen. Do you see the difference? All right. It's subtle, but if you can always look at the camera versus looking at the screen, it just kind of makes a big difference and makes you feel more connected to the audience. They feel more connected to you. So I love live video. It's so easy to do. You can do it. And I'm going to do this video, and when I'm done, I'm posted. It's done. And so don't dilly-dally. Get right to the point. Show action. Show what's happening behind the scenes. Give us something we can see that's action-oriented. And smile, wave, and look at the camera. 3 little tips, little things you can do that's going to make a big difference in your video. So if you have any questions, you want to chat about what you can do to get more butts and seats at your restaurant, send me a message, send me an email. Happy to chat. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.